Today we are going to learn points of concurrence. Points of concurrence of a triangle. Number 1, circumcentre. Number 2, incentre. Number 3, centroid. Number 4, orthocentre. Let's first discuss circumcentre. Let us draw a scalene triangle. Mark the midpoints roughly of the three sides. Draw perpendiculars at the midpoints. This is a sign for 90 degree. So these three are the perpendicular bisectors of the three sides of the triangle. If I name it ABC, the triangle ABC, and the midpoints DEF, and this point as S, then SD is the perpendicular bisector of the side AB, SE is the perpendicular bisector of the side BC, SF is the perpendicular bisector of the side AC. They meet at S. S is the point of concurrence of the three perpendicular bisectors of the three sides of a triangle. This S is the circumcentre. Now the word center implies there might be a circle, right? So if I put my compass here and my pencil over here and rotate it, it will pass through the three vertices of the triangle, forming a circle called the circumcircle. You all can try it out at home. If you draw it perfectly, it will just pass through the three vertices. So we can say that the circumcenter is the point which is equidistant from the vertices because it is equidistant from A, B, C. Okay, now let's move on to incentre. Again, let's draw a scalene triangle. Let's name it ABC. Now let's draw the angle bisectors. This angle is equal to this angle, so this makes this one the angle bisector. This angle equal to this one, so this is the angle bisector. And let's join this one with this point. Suppose this point is I. So this angle is equal to this angle. So these three, AI, BI and CI are the three angle bisectors. They also meet at a point for a triangle. This point is called incentre. As we did earlier, incentre, the word center might imply there is a circle also. Yes, there is. If I put my compass here and my pencil just touching the side, and if I rotate it, then you will see that a circle is formed which touches the sides of the triangle. Since it is inside, it is in circle. So this incentre is the point which is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. So circumcenter was a point which was equidistant from the vertices of the triangle. Incentre is a point which is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. Now let's move on to centroid. Let us again draw a scalene triangle. Name it ABC. Now let's draw the three medians. For this, let's find the midpoints roughly and join them with the opposite vertices. What is a median? A median is a straight line drawn from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So AD is a median, BE is another median, and it's a little crooked, CF is the third median. They also pass through one point, suppose that is G. This G is the centroid. So what is centroid? The point at which all the three medians of a triangle meet. Now, this is very important. The centroid divides a median in the ratio 2:1. Very important. Now let's move on to the last one, which is orthocentre. Again, let's draw a scalene triangle. As before, we name it ABC. And now, let's drop perpendiculars from the vertices. So, we can call these perpendiculars or the heights on the opposite sides. These are the heights or the perpendiculars. Suppose this is again AD, BE, and this one, the other one will pass through this point. Again, it's a little difficult. It would be a straight line up to C. FC, this is also perpendicular, dropped from C on this side AB. So these are three altitudes or the three heights or the three perpendiculars of the triangle ABC. They also meet at one point which is called the orthocentre of the triangle. So let's go through all the four once more. S is the circumcentre. What is circumcentre? The point of concurrence of the three perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle. I is the incentre. What is I? It is the point of concurrence of the three angle bisectors. G is the centroid of a triangle. What is G? G is the point of concurrence of all the medians, the three medians of a triangle. In the last one, H. H is the orthocentre. What is orthocentre? It is the point of concurrence of the three altitudes or heights or perpendiculars of a triangle. Now here, S, the circumcentre, is equidistant from the vertices of a triangle. Incentre is equidistant from the sides of a triangle. G divides a median in the ratio 2:1. These are a few important points. We can continue on this topic in the next video. Thank you all. Keep practicing.